accidentally pressed pause on my other video. Okay, so we can't make a candy special without our whipped cream. So, first, we get our marshmallows.
Do we need some more candy?
No, we don't.
Let me just see to the camera.
Okay, so open up our marshmallows.
I love marshmallows.
We know you do. Okay. Hard to get these marshmallows. They're kind of melty. Let's not get those and we'll get the ones off the bottom.
And also plus Mustache or Grandpa Pig or Mustache Pig, whatever his name was, he's not here.
If he did, he'd be cooking himself. He's not a very good cook.
Yeah. And then he broke, and also he broke one of the eggs.
So bad.
And also we got attacked by birds. That was not good. That day. That was not good. We got attacked by birds. Why did they attack us? I don't know. And also I want a marshmallow.
You cannot get a marshmallow.
Just one.
Fine, marshmallow. Then we got our spoon to scoop
Yay.
our chocolate morsels.
No, they're called chocolate chips.
They say chocolate morsels on here. I'm using the fancy words that the pros call it. And I'm basically a pro, so yeah. Okay. Hey!
Stop it! Stop!
Video.
You're ruining this video! You ruined everything, Daddy!
No, he didn't. It's still okay. Okay, sorry. Just down with me because there was a spill. Okay, so it's okay. So, let's melt these little chocolate chips. Where'd you put the spoon? Can you use that spoon thing? Please? Okay. So, put it in here. Stop! You are not supposed to be in this video right now. Okay. I mean movie. Whatever it is. Okay, so let's put it on for 9 seconds. Start. See the little chocolate chips?
You got melt them? Good to melt them?
Melt them a little bit more.
And for the love of fudge, I'm done with that marshmallow.
Okay. Got our marshmallows set up over there.
I want some popcorn. Popcorn! I thought you were going to eat away an egg. Right, Mark. And also, remember on that weird video? Drink a soda. It will make you stronger. Oh, it was Coke. Drink a Coke.
It'll make you stronger.
Turn it off, man. That's enough. You're gonna make it make mess. That's fine. Just take it out.
It's melted. Is it melted?
It's not melted.
No. Let me do something. Let me do something. bacon. Just we're not making bacon. Okay, so Daddy got the chocolate chips. Let's mix it up. La, 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 la. Let me mix it up. Orange Bird wants to mix up because it's his show. It's his cooking show. Okay.
Where's the chocolate chip? I want some.
Okay, sorry, we're gonna have to sit you there while me mix it up. Mix.
Where are the chocolate chips?
You already took some out. You can have them from this.
I did not eat any. Where's
Grant,
where are the chocolate chips?
they're right here, and I'm gonna
No,
give you
the
a marshmallow.
other chocolate chips, the ones that are in the
I'm gonna
bag.
give you a marshmallow covered with this, and then this. Okay? I'm gonna give you one.
Hey, where are the chocolate chips?
Okay, so we're done mixing this up. Now we're gonna put this chocolate
Daddy, this isn't
on
like
each of them.
1, 2,
Okay, you can't clean an Angry Bird that has chocolate on it. So you need to be very careful.
7, 8. There is a lot, but I want more than this.
Well, we're gonna have dinner soon. What are you doing? Don't do that.
Bell. Oops. Chocolate chips all over me. But it's okay.
Go wash your hands.
I'm still putting the chocolate on the marshmallows. As long as it's chocolate on the top. This will be delicious.
I know I should just say this at the end, but comment and subscribe. But I know I should say that at the end.
Yeah, you should. Really, you should. Sorry for blocking your view. I didn't see that. Orange Bird said that. Okay. Time to wash the chocolate off all our hands.
Oh. Ow. Ow, that hurt me. Ow, ow, ow. Wow, this cooking show has been a long time. Yeah, it has.
Okay, so let's put on our whipped cream. Get some chocolate, put it on, more chocolate, put it on. Doesn't this look delicious? I think it does.
Why are dogs in the kitchen?
Come here, dogs.
I thought I was going to be an angry bird. Then it would turn into angry pig. Is it angry pig?
See, a new game will be coming out as Angry Pigs. Okay, so here is our result. Bye! Now it's time for Chopped, Angry Bird style. See you later!